Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make scrambled eggs like McDonald's. Start by cracking 3 to 4 fresh large eggs into a bowl and whisk until blended. Add a tablespoon of milk or cream and a pinch of salt, then preheat a non-stick pan on low and add butter. Pour eggs in, let them set slightly, then stir slowly and fold until soft curds form. Keep your heat low and your movements deliberate to mimic McDonald's texture. Use a heavy non-stick pan and melt butter until foamy but not browned. Pour whisked eggs in and let sit for a few seconds, then gently push from edges to center with a rubber spatula. Repeat occasional folds, creating soft, large curds, and pull the pan off the heat when eggs are still slightly runny for perfect. Seasoning is subtle but important when aiming for that McDonald's taste. Add salt sparingly and a pinch of white pepper for warmth without overpowering the eggs. Right before serving, stir in a small pat of butter to add gloss and richness similar to fast food eggs. Plate on warm English muffins or use immediately in breakfast sandwiches so the eggs stay tender and moist for each bite.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.